Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. On today's video, we will be learning how to download and install Snapchat app on your phone. Before starting today's tutorial, please subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications. Now to download and install Snapchat on your phone, first of all tap upon Play Store app on your phone. Here on the top of the page, you can see a search bar. Tap on search bar and type Snapchat and press the search button. You are now redirected to the page from where you can download and install Snapchat. On the top right corner, you can see an option for install. Tap on install. Snapchat is a place where you can share photos and videos with your friends. Now the Snapchat is being installed in your phone. The Snapchat has been successfully installed to your phone. I hope this video helped you learn how to download and install the Snapchat on your phone. Now tap on open button on the top right corner of the page and enjoy Snapchat. Thank you.